popcorn.
Mine.
Maybe they saw your popcorn.
They honk at him.
No.
Oh, people are
You
taking
should know on
pictures of
YouTube. They'll
us.
see more.
Back home too, it was like.
They're splashing out there too.
They're what?
I saw some splashes out there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, right there.
Uh-huh. The water's like. Good.
What? Hey, that guy's proposing. That guy's proposing. Look at that guy's proposing right there.
Oh yeah, I think they were.
He's taking all the pictures.
Let's just take a picture of
She's
these.
all waving back and forth like.
Did she say yes? I think she's crying.
There we go.
I think she's crying.
Hurry. I don't know if people out there.
He hasn't gotten up yet.
She's getting
She's pushing him. She hasn't kissed him. She's like pushing on him.
I swear, if I see her kissing it.
Is it just for photo? Is it maybe just for photo purposes?
This photo, these are real.
Did she say yes?
It's kind of short.
Morrow Bay.
I'm gonna get a little bit closer.
Here's the ring. Okay, don't drop it. I'll be back here next week with my
Metal detector.
Yeah. You ready? Over here.
Hi from Memphis. Hello from Pacific Ocean, Central Coast of California.
Trying to get rid of this little
Let's get the waves.
wall of light that's in there. Let's see.
Hi, thank you from Memphis. Memphis, Tennessee, land of Elvis. Yes, it's so beautiful. Thank you, Ashley. From South Carolina. Hello, welcome, South Carolina. We're bringing you the sunset at the Pacific Ocean. This is the Central Coast of California. And we're showing some waves and the sunset. Oh, born and raised 38 years. Wow.
You can black that thing out somehow.
Oh, Southern fried chicken. Yes. Hello, welcome. Oh, he got a fish. He got a fish. Let's see. He caught something. First, we saw somebody getting proposed. Oh, look at his fish. Wow, he got a fish. Everybody's running over there to see his fish. I don't know these people, but they're there. Oh, I'm in New Mexico desert and will enjoy this ocean. He's taking a picture. Do you see him? He's taking a picture with this fish. Oh, look at the sun. It's going down. Here we go. The sun's going down. In the horizon.
No, over there.
Vid. We'll watch something. Oh, it's okay. Thank you. Thank you, Hee the gorilla.
You take
We just witnessed somebody getting proposed to on the other side, and now somebody caught a fish. This is called the sandpit. It's over across from Morrow Bay in Central California. Relaxing. It's so beautiful. Oh, we better stay right here and watch the sun. Yeah, the waves aren't real wild over here. And Southern Fried Chicken. Hello, hello, Ashley. South Valley Vato. Hello. ¿Cómo está? Southern Fried. Lan. Felicia. And Ashley from Memphis. Oops. Okay. Oh, okay. Don't want to miss the sunset. Oh, it's starting to get cold here, huh? It's cold. Yes, stay here and watch the sun go down. Oh, look at it. It's going fast. Oh no, I'm still in 1 year of maintenance, so I still take my Mounjaro. Just a lower dose. I've lost a total of 160 pounds, but it's like sometimes, like right now, I'm actually 165 pounds down, but I never count that extra 5 because it goes up and down. Oh, there it goes. Oh, I haven't been giving any updates? Okay, I'll do an update soon. I know I used to do the videos shot. I've actually forgot to take mine on Friday. Look at how golden it is. Surfers. Ooh, it's getting chilly. Those waves. Look at that. I know, bye sun. Look at it, it's just glowing right over the horizon.
Oh my god.
Oops.
Grandma, look at the mountains.
Which one? Okay, I'll go slow. Look at that. So that's Morrow Bay, California, and that is our
Can I say hello?
dormant.
Hello.
Our dormant nuclear plant, Morrow Bay, California. Morro, Morrow Bay. Thank you, Hee the gorilla. We'll check you out. And the vato. We grew up with many vatos in our area. Central California. Let's move back around this way. Golden hour. That's why they call it the golden hour. Look at those waves. Let's see if you guys can see it. Look at those waves coming in. You know, the power of the sun and the moon really controls the waves. Oh, okay, I see it. It's not by San Diego, so it's about 4. So we are central coast of California, and San Diego is the southern coast. So this area is halfway between San Francisco and San Diego, I would say. Oh, look at this. Popular beaches over here include Pismo Beach, Avila Beach, Cayucas, Cambria, Moonstone Beach. And this is the sandpit, which we've never actually been to this beach before. So right over, oh, look at those waves. Ooh, look at that. We don't have big waves like in Hawaii, unless there's a storm. We had some king tides right before Christmas because we had a storm. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Oh, Brazilian. How awesome. Hello, Brazil. Oh, you found my channel about 2 months ago. Awesome. Awesome, Ashley. Let me know if you have any questions or tips. I will say my tips always with GLP-1 is hydration. Get your protein in, you know, make sure you're getting all your nutrition. And if you get the appetite suppression whenever you take your injection, then be sure before you take your injection that you're getting your protein in, because you know it's hard to eat whenever you're full. but be sure to eat and take a sip of water every 20 minutes. Movement is really important. Strength training. A lot of us, including myself, focused on cardio and not so much the strength training. And so now working on that, rebuilding the muscles. Here, I'm trying to find you some good waves.
Like, can my mom show them the...
Oh, Hee the gorilla says to tell you hi. And let's see, Malibu. Oh yeah, so Malibu is south of here. It actually takes us about 3 hours or almost, no, 2 hours to get to Ventura and then Malibu. So yeah, usually when we drive into LA, we drive past Malibu and Ventura, but it is about 2 hours. Santa Barbara is just south of here. Let me take it. Try not to go too fast. There, waves. You know, I was really bad about my water yesterday, and then you know what happens? I'll end up getting muscle cramps, like leg cramps at night. Oh, it's terrible. And then, so I'll take some magnesium, and sometimes I spray magnesium spray on my feet, but if I'm like having an active muscle cramp, if I have pickle juice, I'll drink some pickle juice or put a little Himalayan or sea salt on my tongue. That helps. I must be like a little magnesium deficient, but that also helps keep you regular. But yeah, hydration is so important, especially with GLP-1s, because just makes everything work well. And then let's see, so protein, hydration, movement, you know, try to get in those 30 minutes of cardio, or like try to give yourself a step goal, depending on where you're at right now currently. Look at, you know, if you can only get 3,000 steps, do that. Then work up to 5,000 steps, 7,000 steps. And I'll tell you, I know it's hard to get 10,000 steps, but I know that's a goal, but it's hard for me to do that every day. Definitely protein, healthy fats will help you from losing too much hair. Like, you do get the hair shed with any type of weight loss. Like, I lost weight before, after having bariatric surgery, gastric bypass 25 years ago, and I lost weight from hair shedded a lot. My hair thinned out because of that weight loss.
Can you show your life, the doggy?
I don't know if your mom lets me to. Ooh, look at those waves right there. Strength training is one of those things that they forget to tell us to do. Deep breathing, mindset coach is really incredible. Join the communities. We have a lot of communities that I joined. The Downsized, Downsizing Diva, Anchor Moments. Those are all YouTube channels. She is Tamika. But if you go to the Downsized and Downsizing Diva, you'll see all the amazing friends in there that support each other, and it's a great community, a great tribe to be a part of. Ooh, you see that wave right there?
Oh my
Look
God.
at that. Ooh. You know, as soon as the sun goes down, the waves get bigger. Ooh, look at that. It's a long one.
Oh my
Wow,
God.
look at that.
Where am I gonna go?
Okay, I'll get closer. Ugh, I'll zoom out because it gets all bouncy. But in the first 3 months, I dealt with a lot of constipation. And so that hydration is going to... not getting constipated, because that's one of the things that happens quite often with a lot of people. I never got like the nausea, but some people do, and everybody's different. But yeah, I used to weigh 313 pounds. Today I weigh 148, but you know, I every week my weight changes. Ooh, look at those waves coming in. It's hard to get it on camera.
No, don't touch the ground. Don't touch the ground.
Yes, the downsize and oh, Amy loses it. Hello, Amy.
Grandma, look at this rock.
Yeah, I in the beginning of my journey, I watched every day the Countess of Shopping, and I think she's great. You learn so much. And Dave on the Pin. I think they're really good for informational, the how-tos, the details, food ideas, and for the support of each other and just hearing everybody's experiences. Definitely Downsizing Diva and the Downsize. Downsize also brings in news and updates. I'm gonna sign up to go on the cruise. I contacted the travel agent that they're working with on the Downsize, and there's a cruise on June 4th through June 8th to the Bahamas, and I'm gonna make it work. I really want to go. So I'm in contact with them, and I'm getting ready to make my deposit. Yes, Dave on the Pin, truly amazing. He has a great book too to give people ideas on what to say. Yeah, if you guys like after the live, probably by tomorrow, because we're going to be driving home in a little bit, which is like 2 hours away. We'll go to my daughter's house, who's local, and then whenever I let this post, I can tag those channels in my description so that especially people who are newly at getting a GLP-1, we definitely want to give you some great resources, because back whenever I started this in 2023, there wasn't very many people out there, and I was just so grateful to find Countess of Shopping after watching the Oprah special. And
Look at this thin rock I saw.
yeah, she was. That's cool.
Meh.
Let's see. Oh wow, that's cool. It's a black rock. So I learned so much from her. I'd go on a walk and I would listen to her daily video. It's really cool whenever, like, the Downsized is a daily video, and Countess of Shopping is a daily video. So I think those are great. And then sometimes I do lives.
There's a paper in here.
The Downsized might be live every day,
There's a paper in here.
or it could be a show.
Oh yeah. Kind of does look like a shell.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's cool. But a lot of people I've been noticing in our community say that they never get to see the ocean. And since we're out here most weekends, I wanted to bring this to you. And I also posted the other side, actually yesterday, by that big rock that's called the Morrow Rock. We walked alongside of it, and I was I was live facing from that direction looking this way. And you could see this beach, but we didn't know actually what it was. I've never been over here before. And then my daughter said, let's go to it. It's called the Sandspit. And it's kind of like a peninsula. All around us is the ocean, and then there's mountains. What do you call it? The museum or park over here. What do you call that? Not state park. Is called Montaña de Oro, which is the Mountain of Gold, right? Yeah, Mountain of Gold. And oh, it has some beautiful. I have some videos of walking on the bluff trail. There's even like a grotto over there. A cave that we walked into. It's really, really cool over on that side of the other side of that mountain over there. So cool. I'm having to read comments sideways. I know I want to go on a cruise. I really want to try to make it work. I'm going to have to find a substitute for 3 days because I usually teach summer school. So I don't know how that's going to work out, or if I'm going to have to just do the second semester of summer school. So I hope they'll let me just go 3 days without pay and pay a substitute teacher so that so I can still sub the rest of the time. Oh, let's see. That one.